Welcome to the new CAD features demonstration for Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2. In this video, we will be discussing the new CAD features in Cabinet Vision. With the introduction of Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2, you now have the ability to hold the Shift key on your keyboard to create a square shape while using the rectangle tool. I have gone ahead and created a new job and gone to the CAD section of the plan view to illustrate this. As you can see, when I draw the rectangle, it follows the standard rules for rectangles by following my mouse cursor around the screen. If I now try the same thing with my Shift key pressed, you can see that the rectangle is constrained to be a square shape. With the introduction of Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2, the location of the arrow on the leader elements has been reversed. It is now created on the start point from which you draw the leader. Once again, we are in the CAD section of the plan view. I have selected the leader tool in the annotations group and will begin drawing a sample leader. As you can already see, the arrow has been placed after I've selected my second point. In previous versions, the arrow would have been placed at the final point. With the introduction of Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2, a new text leader tool has been added to the annotations group. This feature functions almost identically as the standard leader, so we won't get into the details of it. The major difference, though, is that once you have drawn the leader, you will be prompted with this dialog. This allows you to specify the text that you would like to have at the end of the leader. Here is a sample text leader that I have created. You can see that the text was added to the end point of the leader. With the introduction of Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2, a new revision cloud tool was added to the annotations group to simplify the creation of revision clouds. While in the CAD view, you can look in the annotations group to find our new cloud tool. And here you can see how a simple cloud is drawn. With the introduction of Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2, when you insert a CAD symbol, you are now given a preview of the symbol you are about to insert. Here you can see the Insert Symbol dialog. As you can see, you now have a preview pane that depicts the selected CAD symbol, allowing you to see what you are about to insert. With the introduction of Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2, when you insert a symbol from your library, any layers that it had when it was saved will be brought into Cabinet Vision. I would like to note that the first layer, no matter what the name, will be merged with the default layer. Here I have taken the time to draw a simple shape that has been dimensioned and save it to my symbol library. You can see the dimensions are on another layer that I have named Dimensions. Now I have started a new job and gone to the CAD section of the plan view. If we take a look at the layers available, you'll notice that we only have the default layers. I'm now going to go ahead and insert my symbol. It is saved in the My Drawings category and is named My Object. With the symbol inserted, let's take a look at our layers. Now you can see that the Dimensions layer has been added. The main layer is nowhere to be found, though. That is because, as I stated before, the first layer is always merged with the default layer. With the introduction of Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2, you now have the ability to set up text prompts inside of your CAD symbols. To illustrate this, I'm going to use the Scene Label CAD symbol that ships with Cabinet Vision. I have placed it in the CAD section of the plan view and already ungrouped the symbol so that I can edit it. To start, let's double-click on the letter A to change the text. Now that the text dialog is displayed, I can set up the text to display a prompt whenever I place this symbol. Since I had been working with this before, I find the $scene number text in my history list, so I will just select that now. Now that the text is set, let me take a moment to explain what the text means. The two curly brackets around the text let Cabinet Vision know that this is supposed to be variable, not fixed, text. The question mark in front of the text lets Cabinet Vision know that you want to be prompted for the actual text to be placed. The text is used as the prompt for the text. I've gone ahead and done the same thing for the number as well, and saved the symbol to my library. Just to simplify things, I've started a new job and gone to the CAD section of Plan View. Now I'm going to insert my symbol, that I named My Elevation, and store it in the My Drawings category. Now you can see that as I went to insert the symbol, I was prompted for the scene letter and scene number variables. This concludes the demonstration of the new CAD features of Cabinavision Solid 2011 R2. Thank you for viewing this video, and please take a look at our other videos on the new functionality of CAD.